Hello food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen. Do you have some beer? I bring you some crunchy and delicious onion rings. In a small bowl, beat 1 egg and combine it with 100 ml milk and black pepper. Set it aside. In another bowl, combine 250 grams all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix until all dry ingredients are combined. For this recipe, I used 250 grams of breadcrumbs. Now, it's time to cut 1 onion into rings and separate them from each other very carefully. Coat each onion ring with flour mix and shake it to remove excess flour. The next step is to coat it in the egg mixture and then in breadcrumbs. Preheat 500 ml sunflower oil and add about 4 to 5 onion rings at a time. Now it's time to prepare the sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons natural yogurt and a smashed garlic clove. This sauce is very delicious. You can also eat these crunchy and delicious onion rings with ketchup or your favorite sauce. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!